Welcome to another episode of Power BI News with Soheil. Hi, my name is Soheil, a Microsoft Data Platform MVP here at Theta New Zealand. In today's video, I'm going to share my top picks of January 2025 updates of Power BI. So without any further ado, let's get to it. This month's release of Power BI provides a lot of new features and enhancements to some existing features. My favorites are Explore this data, new entry point from a visual, semantic model version history, which at the time of recording this video hasn't been rolled out yet, and of course the TMDL scripting experience, which is in preview. In today's demo, I'm going to show you how to use Explore this data feature, which I believe is a very good productive feature for business users. Let's say you are a project manager and you would like to have a look at your portfolio dashboard. So you open up your Microsoft project report in Power BI and then you click Portfolio Dashboard. And I am interested in top 10 projects by project managers. I can quickly see that Linda Holloway manages a lot of projects, so I can click on it to filter down the rest of the report. But I want to dig even deeper. As you can see on this page, there are no date filters. I can hover over this table and click the ellipsis button, and this is the new feature available in January 2025. Previously, we could access Explore this data feature at the semantic model level, but now we can indeed access it from a visual level. Now let me click on it and see what happens. As you can see, the Explore this data retained the new filter that I used for Linda Holloway. Now let's say that I want to see the results in matrix. I can click on the expand button to see the results as a matrix. Let's say I want to look at the projects that Linda is working on a specific day. So I can add another filter by clicking on add filter, and then I select the start field. Let's say I want to look at 1st of July 2019 and I click apply, which gives me a lot of details that I am after. But the good things doesn't stop here. I can actually save this data exploration to be used in the future. So I can click on the save drop down button and click save. I give it a name and I save it in a workspace. I stick to what I had. Or I can save this view as a new report. This is very cool. For that, I click on the save drop down and click save as report, which I can select my workspace and click save to save this view as a report. To get back to this data exploration, I can quickly navigate to my workspace and open up the data exploration, which gives me exact same view. As you can see, I can quickly dig much deeper into my data and make a new view of the same data that I can see on my report as a data exploration object and get back to it later whenever I need that information again. Keep in mind that the data exploration object is only available in Fabric capacities, but we still can save the data exploration view as a new report in our workspace to get back to it whenever we want. For a business user, this can be a very good productivity feature that saves a lot of time and effort. By the way, have you noticed the new look in Microsoft Fabric? At the bottom left, we used to have the experience picker, but now it is much tidier for Power BI users and Fabric developers. By clicking on the menu, we can quickly switch to Fabric experience or Power BI experience. This is a pretty nice touch in the UI, which makes the user experience much better. That's all I had to say for this month's release of Power BI features. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.